Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8. I myself, Revati Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, I shall solve some important question of exercise 4A, chapter 4, cubes and cube root of standard 8. Now, write here some problem. Evaluate question number 2 of 1, 15q, and question number 2 of 2, 3.5q, and question number 2 of 3, 10 by 11q. My dear students, so solve here question number 1 of 2. Question number 2 of 1 is 15 cube. 15 cube means 15 multiply 15 multiply 15. So multiply 15 3 times each other, 22,375 answer. 3,375 answer. Now question number 2 of 2. Here write it. Question number 2 of 2 is 3.5 cube. Change into fraction for 35 by 10 cube. Change its simplest form 5 7 ja and 5 2 ja. So 7 by 2 cube. Now multiply it. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Or not 7 7 ja 49. 49 multiply by 7. 9 7 ja 63 of 6. Carry 6. 4 7 ja 28. 28 or 634. So 343. Answer of this question 343. Now question number 3. Question number 2 of 3. 10 by 11 cube equal to 10 by 11 into 10 by 11 into 10 by 11 equal to 1000. This multiply 121 by 11. So 1331. 1331 answer of this question. Dear students, write it. My dear students, some questions write on this board. Question number 4 of exercise 4A, chapter 4, cubes and cube roots. I solve here question number 5 of question 4. The PF of 8,000. The PF of 8,000. Find here PF of 8,000. First of all 2 times 4,000. Again 2 times 2,000. 2 times 1000, 2 times 500, now 2 times 250, now 2 times 125, and now 5 times 25, again 5 times 55. Now right here, prime factors is 2 into 2 into 2. Again 2 into 2 into 2. Now 5 into 5 into 5. Make a triplet, one triplet, second triplet and third triplet equal to, so it is a perfect cube. It form a triplet, so it is a perfect cube. Therefore 8000 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that means 2 cube. Again 2 into 2 into 2, it means also 2 cube. Multiply 5 into 5 into 5, it means 5 cube, equal to 2 into 2 into 5 cube, equal to 2 to the 4, 4 5 the 20. So it is 20 cube answer. Next question, write it. And next question, question number 6. Question number 6 of 4. Question number 6 of 4. Question number 6 of 4. The PF of 9261. The PF of 9261. So 9261. Now find 2 times, no, 9 to 11, 18, 3 times. 3 3 ja 9. 3 3 ja 9, 2. 3 3 ja 9, 2 0, 2 and 6. The 3 8 ja 24. 24, 3 7 ja 21. Again 3 times, 3 1 ja 3, 0 time, 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja. Again 3 times, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9. Now 7 times, 7 4 ja 28 and 6 63, 7 9 ja. So again 7 times, 7 7 ja. Write PF of 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. It is a perfect cube. It is a perfect cube. It is a perfect cube. Now 9, therefore 9261 equal to, make a pair, 3 cube into 7 cube. That means 3 into 7 cube equal to 21 cube answer. Write this question. My dear students, one important question right on this board is question number 9. Question number 9 is, find the smallest number by which 1600 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So first of all, find perfect prime factor of 1600. Question number 9. The PF of the prime factors of 1600 equal to, find the prime factor of 1600. 2 times 800, again 2 times 400, now 2 times 200, 2 times 100, 2 times 50, 2 times 25, now 5 times 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 multiply each other. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 in a pair, 2 into 2 in a pair. So 2q into 2q into 5 into 5. Here we have to remove 5 into 5. So it is divided by 5 and 5. Therefore, the required number equal to 5 into 5. Equal to 5 into 5, 25. Answer. This number 1600 divided by 25, then quotient is a perfect cube. Right? Now, question number 10, write on this board. Find the smallest number by which 8788 must be divided. The quotient is a perfect square. So, question number 10. First of all, find the PF of 8788. Right here, find the PF of 8788. First of all, is divided by 2. So 2 4 ja 8. 2 4 ja 8. 2 3 ja 6. 2 9 ja 18. And 2 4 ja 8. Again 2 times. Again 2 times. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. 2 9 ja 18. And 2 7 ja 14. Now it is divided by 30. 1 6 9. Again it is divided by 13. So 13 times. Now the PF of 8788 is 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. So 13 is in pair, triplets. So 2 into 2 into 13 cube. Therefore, here 2 into 2 is, we have to remove it. So it is divided by 2 into 2. Therefore, the required number equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. Answer. My dear students, one question again, write on this board of question number 7. Find the smallest number which 1323 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So find question number 7. The PF of 1323 equal to find PF of 1323. 3 times 3 4 ja 12, 1 to 12, again 3 4 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3. Now again 3 times 3 1 ja 3, 1 4, 3 4 ja 12, 2 1, 3 7 ja 21. Now 3 times, again 3 times, 3 4 ja 12 and 3 9 ja 49. 3 9 ja 27. Again 7 7 ja 49. So PF of 1323 is 3 into 3 into 3 multiply 7 into 7. Make a triplet. So 7 is not in triplet. For making a triplet, this number is multiplied by 7. Write again 3 cube into 7 into 7. Therefore, the required number equal to 7 answer. Dear students, today homework is complete exercise 4A. Thanks you. That's all.